स्टूडेंट्स, आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 8 चैप्टर नंबर 2 टेबल्स इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस की एक्सरसाइज की सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। अ स्पेसिफिक पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन अ टेबल is known as value. Value is the correct option. A row in a table is called record. The character limit in memo data type is 63,999. The data type that is used for detailed and descriptive fields, that is memo. The key that you press to move from upper pane to lower pane is F6. F6 is the correct answer. Next question is filling the blanks. A database is collection of organized data. A row in a table is called record. A database consists of tables organized in rows and columns. Columns can be used to hold fields in a table. .accdb extension is used by default in Access 2010-5. There must be a unique name for each field in the table. A primary key is a key that differentiates the records in a file. The General tab contains most of the properties you work with. Please students, subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. Most importantly, subscribe the channel for all the exercise solutions of your class, of your computer subject. So subscribe the channel, please. Next question number 3, answer the following questions. First question, define DBMS. What is the need for DBMS? So here is the answer. A database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allows access, retrieval and use of that data. Database software, also called database management system, DBMS, allows you to create a computerized database, add, change and delete data, sort and retrieve data from the database, and create forms and reports using the data in the database. Okay, so this is the definition of DBMS. Next question is, what is MS Access? Microsoft Access is a powerful database software that allows you to create, manage and process data in the form of table. Define record, field and value. So record is a row in a table is called a record. Field, column in a table is called field. Value, each specific piece of information in a table is known as value. D, define primary key. Why do we need a primary key? A primary key is a key assigned to a particular field in the table and we need it to differentiate the records in a file. Question number E, name and explain the different data types in MS Access. MS Access के different data types. Following are the different data types in MS Access. First is text. This is general purpose field containing any data. It has limit of 255 characters. Memo. This type has limit of 63,999 characters used for detailed descriptive fields. Number 3, number. This type stores numeric data that you can use in calculations. Number 4, date and time. This type only stores numbers representing valid dates and times. Number 5, currency. Stores currency data that you can use in calculations. Number 6, auto number. Stores a sequential number for each record. Number 7, yes no. Displays the values as true false or yes no. Number 8, hyperlink. You can link to websites, email, files on your computer, etc. Attachment. You can attach data files from Word, Excel, or graphic editing programs, and so on. Next number, calculated. You can use it to create calculated fields directly in a table. Next, last question. Name and explain different field properties of a database. Different field properties of a database are as follows. Number 1, properties pane. When a field is selected in a design view, its properties appear in the lower pane. General tab. It contains most of the properties you will work with. Lookup tab is primarily used for setting up lookup lists. Drop down list. Some properties have drop down list from which you can select. Property information. When the insertion point is in a properties box, information about that property appears here. Yes/no properties. Some properties represents yes/no questions which have already been filled for you with default values. So thank you students for watching this video. Please like, share, and most importantly subscribe the channel. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.